Learning to play the guitar can be frustrating because you never know if you are practicing the right way. To improve, you need constant feedback and guidance. That's where Soundgate comes in. Soundgate is an AI music tutor that listens to your play and gives real-time guidance as you practice. Alright, what should I focus on today?
Based on your last session, your timing was solid, but you struggled with clean note transitions and slowed down when the tempo went above 80 beats per minute. Today, I recommend a focused string transition exercise in the A minor pentatonic scale.
Let's do it.
Start at 70 beats per minute and gradually increase tempo once your transitions stay clean. Follow the highlighted notes on the fretboard and play along. Your overall timing accuracy improved compared to your last session. You significantly reduced early notes, especially on descending phrases. Repeat this exercise once more at 70 beats per minute to reinforce clean transitions. If your on-time accuracy stays above 80%, I'll increase the tempo in your next session.
As you can see, Soundgate is tracking my timing and note accuracy in real time and guiding me through the next steps. They are building Soundgate to be the AI tutor for millions of self-taught guitar players.